Happening you dafties, so we're back with another live cop. I'm actually recording this the night before because I have work in the morning, so I legit will have about 30 minutes. That is to do the live copping as well as editing it and uploading it, so I'm going to try and edit forward and hopefully get it. But if you didn't see last week with the BOGO drop, the hoodie, I'll insert a clip. Here you go.
Oh my fucking god! Oh! Oh! Yes!
I copped a medium light blue Supreme box logo hoodie. The t-shirts are out this week, and in this drop I'm going to be going for the pink and the large. That's what I tried to go for in the hoodie, but as if you watched last week's episode, you'll see what happened. But before we do everything and we jump into it, I'm going to show you guys the actual box logo I got. It just got delivered on Tuesday, so here it is. So you have the Supreme box logo right here. Looks amazing. I'm not going to take it out of the packaging yet because I don't know what I want to do with it. Usually with Supreme, I usually go in a large just so I can have it oversized. This is a medium, so I usually go for large. So I don't know if I want to trade it or sell it, but that may depend on what happens with this drop today. So let's hope we can get some rare luck like this here. I just want to say a big thank you as well. We're at 49 subs, like I've went up about 15 in the last week, which is absolutely banging. Nearly at 50. If you guys want to push it over today, that would be absolutely amazing. Generally, thank you so much for everybody that just supported the last video. Amazing comments, amazing like ratio, it was just amazing, and thanks for everybody that subbed. It genuinely means a lot. If you guys want to follow my Instagrams, it's Jack_Nisbet and Diabetus_shoes. If you want to leave a like as well, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's see how we get on. I will be back with about 30 seconds to go before the drop actually happens. Knowing my luck, probably won't get it, but I got the BOGO last week, so I don't want to jinx it. But I guess we'll wait and see. Pink, large, see you there. So we're back, 30 seconds on the screen. This is 30 seconds till before the Supreme box logo t-shirt drop. Again, I'm going for the pink and the large, so we're just going to have to hope it works out. I hope it works out at least. I'm panicking. I got the BOGO last week. Again, if you didn't see, just go see it. It was a good video. 9 seconds, 8 seconds. Uh-oh, the website's already lagging. This is a bad sign. 59. Right, okay, that's 11. Come on. Is the website going to be slow again? I think it is. Come on, Supreme. Get your EU BOGO drop sorted. There we go. Come on. Up again with this stuff. Oh my god, not again. I thought they would have fixed this. Oh no, come on. So done this last week as well, it kept kicking you out, and it seems to do it this time again. Don't you love EU shop fucking drops? Come on. This makes it worse as well because you're panicking and you're like trying to focus at the same time. It just doesn't help. Just let me in, come on. Come on. Oh, there we go, right. Staying in euros again, this happened last time. Which worries me that the processed payment is going to take a while as well. Come on, don't do this again. Please. Damn, it's sold out. Okay, right, that's fine. Let's see if we can get anything. Come on. Just see if we can get anything, like any t-shirt will do. Come on, don't do this. It starts changing it back. Oh, Supreme, come on. Just let me get a BOGO, come on. It does not want to work. Let's just try to click on anyone possible. Come on. Sold out as well. Can I cart either of them? Most likely not. Oh, come on. Take me to the cart, come on. Come on, Supreme. Come on. This is so annoying. 4 minutes and a half into the drop. Well, at this rate, by the time I get into this cart, it'll be gone. Come on, let me in the cart. No, see, it's gone. This is ridiculous, Supreme. Same as last week, and then the US drop went fine. No. Spoiler card, another one, don't know what colour it is. I think it's yellow, which is so great. It's black, nah. Right, I'm going to go for a restock, so I'll see you guys if I get the restock. If not, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not as good as last week's, but if you want to go see actual cop, go watch last week's, and I'll see you in the next one. See you.